The great filter is technological development itself. Every species in the universe that becomes quote-unquote intelligent enough to develop technology, eventually this technological development expands exponentially until it destroys that species. And how it does that is because there's only so many naturally occurring extinction events or near extinction events, such as asteroids or supervolcanoes, supernova, whatever. There's only so many natural ways that a species can go extinct. But there are an increasing number, an exponentially increasing number of self-inflicted extinction events or near extinction events. So I made a simple mathematical model, simple equation. That's an approximation. You can model it in similar ways, whatever. Y equals 2 to the ET plus C. C is the naturally occurring catastrophes. C. Naturally occurring catastrophes that can happen. It's fixed. 2 to the ET is the self-inflicted catastrophes. The self-inflicted near extinction events or extinction events that we can do. And as you can see, T is in the exponent. As in, the more time goes on, the more the number of ways that we can cause our own extinction goes up. Ever faster. Here's the thing, with technological advancements, at first it improves human population. It grows the human population. It lifts up the carrying capacity. But at a certain point, it tanks it. As I added to this graph here to demonstrate what happens when technological development causes an increasing number of self-inflicted near extinction events and extinction events. So you can see how first it goes up, somebody invented vaccines, somebody invented antibiotics. All these things help the human population expand beyond what its previous carrying capacity was. But then at a certain point, human technology, although it keeps increasingly discovering new good things, it also increasingly discovers new technologies that can cause the species to go extinct or nearly cause the species to go extinct. And the number of those compounds because the solutions to the previous ones of those don't come as quick as the new ones of those come along. We don't forever prevent nuclear war before we discover some other way to go extinct. We don't solve climate change and prevent artificial intelligence from destroying humanity before we come up with 6 or 7 other things that could destroy humanity. That's just how technology expands. Technology is the great filter. Technological development is the great filter. This, of course, means that if we do not stop advancing our technology, if we don't leave technology kind of where it's at around now, or maybe at most another 20 years or 30 years from now of new technology, if we don't stop the expansion of our technology, the human species is most likely not going to last another century, but definitely not 3 centuries. So, and I needn't tell you how hard it's going to be to get everyone in the world to shut down creating new technologies. Even I love technology. I don't want it to stop, but it looks like it has to stop.